Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a newsletter sign-up section to your Shopify store and how to manage your subscribers effectively. This is a great way to grow your email list, keep your customers informed, and boost your store's engagement and sales. First things first, log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to Online Store and then click on Themes. You'll see your active theme here, and next to it, click Customize. This will open up the theme editor, which is where you can make visual changes to your store and add new sections. Once you're in the theme editor, scroll to the area where you want your newsletter sign up to appear. Most stores place it in the footer, but you can choose any section that fits your design. Click Add Section and look for Newsletter. In some themes, it might be labeled Promotional Newsletter. Clicking this will add a sign-up field where visitors can enter their email address to subscribe. Now, you can customize the text of your newsletter section. For example, you might add a short message encouraging visitors to subscribe for exclusive offers, updates, or new product launches. Make sure it's clear, inviting, and matches your store's branding. Once you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to click Save. Next, let's test the sign up. Open your store's live page, scroll to the newsletter section, enter an email address, and hit subscribe. Shopify should confirm the subscription with a success message. This ensures everything is working properly before you start sending campaigns. To view and manage your subscribers, go back to your Shopify admin and open the customer section. Here, you'll see a list of all customers, including those who have subscribed to your newsletter. Subscribers will be tagged with Accepts Marketing, which shows that they opted in. You can also export this list for email marketing or use Shopify's built-in email apps if installed. Simply filter for customers with Accepts Marketing enabled, then click Export to download your subscriber list. This way, you can easily upload it to email marketing tools like MailChimp, Klaviyo, or OmniSend. And that's it. Adding a newsletter sign-up section is a simple yet powerful way to stay connected with your customers and grow your business. Take some time to explore the design and placement options so it fits perfectly with your store. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below with any other Shopify tips you'd like me to cover. Happy selling!